Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So today I'm going to discuss about the relationship between gut health and your brain health. If you have felt butterflies in your stomach when you are nervous, it's because of the strong relationship between gut and brain and is explained by gut-brain axis. The relationship between gut and brain goes both the ways. The unhealthy gut can cause some neurological symptoms like feeling tired or feeling depressed or poor quality sleep. And vice versa, if you are stressed or not sleeping good, can lead to GI symptoms like constipation or stomachache. Serotonin is the hormone that helps regulate the internal clock and is the most important hormone for brain health. Low level of serotonin can cause symptoms of depression, anxiety, chronic fatigue, and poor quality sleep. 95% of the serotonin is produced in intestine and only 5% is produced in your brain. So poor gut health can affect your brain health. So poor quality gut can lead to symptoms like poor memory, chronic fatigue, symptoms of depression, anxiety, sleep problems, and even phobias. So if you are feeling tired or if you are suffering from any of these symptoms, make sure to improve your gut health. But if you're not suffering from any of these symptoms and still want to improve your overall brain health, you should consider improving your gut health. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.